why you don't like potato?
Cause it hurts my feelings.
Hurt your feelings or hurts your stomach?
How? Tell me how does it happen? How does it? Oh.
Hurt your feelings like that?
Okay, so do you wanna eat carrots?
No, it's door pokey too. And
How about peas, green peas?
no, they can pull me too.
What is not poke?
Everything is pokey.
Then you're
So-
not going to eat food anymore?
So what do you want to eat in vegetables?
Then what healthy food are you going to eat?
In vegetables.
Are we going to tell your teacher what healthy food you're going to eat?
Nothing.
No?
Why, baby?
Because I love juice and water together.
How about dal rice? How about rice and dal?
How about noodles?